Now let's turn it on. Oh, look at that. That's pretty bright right there for a fog light. This side too. Hey, hello you guys, welcome back. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace fog lights right here on a 2007 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. You can see right here, that's an OEM fog light, came original from the factory, and you can see it's cracked right there. This lens is made out of glass. This side is cracked, broken right there, and on the driver's side, also cracked, but it's not broken, but you can see that water starts seeping inside the fog light, so that's not good. You see how dirty that one is? All that dust, mud inside there. And this, what I'm gonna use to replace. I got these off Amazon for around 30 bucks. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description so you can get on Amazon and purchase a set of these. This one is pretty cheap, it's 30 bucks. That's how much I paid for it. And it's an OEM quality. Basically, it's better than the OEM because the OEM, they use glass. But this one, it looks like glass, but it's not. It's made out of polycarbonate plastic, but it's a hard plastic that feels like glass. It's a thick plastic, thicker than regular plastic lens, but it's better quality than regular plastic lens. So it's a lot thinner than the glass, more durable. It won't crack on impact, and it won't shatter like glass, because glass, once you get a little rock chips hit on the lens, it's gonna shatter or it's gonna start to crack, just like the OEM one. And that's why the quality is pretty good on this lens, very durable, and this will last longer than the glass. And another good thing is that the housing is made out of metal. You want the housing to be made out of metal, because if you get the cheap one, there's some cheap one out there on Amazon for like 20 bucks a pair, but this one costs like 30-ish, but I was able to get this one for 30 bucks a pair. So I see some other seller on Amazon, they sell it for like 57 bucks, $60, 65, so they're different prices, but I was able to find this one from this seller for 30 bucks a pair. Like I said, the cheap one for like 20 bucks on Amazon, the lens basically made out of plastic, thin plastic that's gonna melt. And the housing also made out of plastic. Definitely it's gonna melt after you use it. The heat from the bulb will start melting the housing because it's made out of plastic. So that's why you wanna go with close to the OEM, which is the metal housing. The OEM one also made out of metal housing, so that's why it's gonna last longer. I'm gonna show you guys how to install on the passenger side, and on the driver's side is exactly the same as on the passenger side. All right, and if you notice, these are marked right side and left side. Like this one right here, if you notice, there's an R. That's on the right side, which is the passenger side. And this side right here, it shows L, which is on the left side. That's on the driver's side. All right, first thing, you need to turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, just like that. See right there? This is the easy way, better than jacking your car up and remove the wheel. So you can just turn it all the way to the left. So you can remove all these plastic clips. You're gonna need to remove the bottom bolts that's holding the covers on. You're gonna need to remove this 10mm bolt right there. Another plastic clip right there. And this one, you don't have to. Just leave that one alone. Just remove this plastic clip right there. And remove this 10mm bolt. You also going to need to remove this bolt as well, the one that's connecting these two plastic pieces together, just so you can have room that you can bend this one back. You don't have to completely take all these off, or the bumper. Remove this clip right here, this plastic clip. Just pull this off, just like so. Pop this loose, right there. Your little flathead screwdriver. Just pry this off from the bumper. Right there. On the top one as well. Just leave that there for now. Now we need to remove the bottom bolt. It's a 10mm. Remove the clip. Remove this little plastic clip here. And also you need to remove this 10mm bolt as well, so you can separate this one out. Now this one's loose, right there. Go ahead, bend it down. There you go. Basically, you just want to separate the bumper and the wheel well liner. Right there. Now you got some room there. There's one more little clip right here that you need to remove, so you can peel this back. There you go. Now you can peel this back right there to give you a little bit more room. Now if you notice that little clip right there, follow my laser. See that little clip right there? What you do is to push that clip out. See that little clip right there? But before you push it out, go ahead and remove that bulb first, the fog light bulb and the connector. See my hand right there? Go ahead and turn clockwise on this passenger side, but if it's on the driver's side, you have to turn counterclockwise. All right, go ahead, turn clockwise on passenger side right here on this side. Remove the bulb. Once you remove the bulb, you can disconnect the connector right there. It'll be easier than disconnect it from the inside. There you go. Now you see this clip right here that I was telling you about? Right there, you need to push that clip back out, and the clip is this part right here, this little chrome trim. So once you push it out, you can easily remove it, because there's also another clip right there, but if you get this clip off, then this one will come off. All right. You can just use a flathead screwdriver, kind of push that clip off right there. See, once you push it out, this one will come off as well on the other side. There you go. See that? See that clip right there that I was telling you about? Now remember, this clip right here on the outer edge is big. And this little clip right there on the inner side is smaller. So don't mix it up. And then if you look in the back, it'll tell you. Right there. Right. R, that's right, pointing up. So it's on this side, your right hand right here. If you sit on the driver's side, this is your right hand right here. So don't mix it up. That's how you can tell the correct way to reinstall this little trim right here. But you can't mix it up anyways. If you try to put it in like this, it won't go in, because this clip right here is smaller and this clip right here is bigger, and the hole right there on the inner edge is smaller. It was made for this small clip. And you see this little black plastic piece right there where you adjust the fog light. Follow my let's go ahead and follow my laser right there. That little plastic piece right there. Go ahead and use a small flathead screwdriver and just push that little tab in there and try to push it out. You just have to be patient. Don't get in a rush. Just remember, if you get in a rush, you might break something. So just take your time on it. Okay. Okay, right there. Looks like it's pushing off right there. Now the clip is off. Now let's go to the front. If you notice this little slot right here, right there, there's another clip right there that's holding on to the fog light. Inserted your flathead screwdriver in there and slowly pry it out. Pry it to the right side like this. Just gently, okay, so you won't break the glass. I know it's old, it's trash, but be careful because glass will cut you. So just stick it in there. There you go. See that? Right there. Voila. And this is what I'm talking about right here. The clip. See that right there? That clip right there? That's why you want to slide a flathead screwdriver in there and push this tab in, which is toward the right, toward your right hand side. Just push it in like that and gently pull the fog light out. And that little tab was holding on to this right here. This side, see? There's also another side right there. That's where another slot right here that's holding this spot right here. Just that right there. See? Basically, when you put it in, you just slide it in, then you lock it in place. Check this out. There's the original one that's broken right there. Probably got rock chips on there, and it's finally broken off, and it's made out of glass. This is a new one, polycarbonated. Does feel like glass. And you compare them together, it looks identical except for the little letter and number right there. This one does not have one, but it's also a SAE F01. Same thing as the original one. It's SAE F01 as well. And that's the brand. I think it's what Kato or something like that. I'm not sure what brand it was. Yeah, right there. Koito. Something like that. I don't know how to pronounce it, but anyways, this one got their own brand on it. Eagle Eyes, I guess. Right there, EE. With the model number EETY 1083. This one's slightly different model number, but it's SAE rated as well. This one also SAE rated, so it's DOT approved. Now reinstall the new unit, which is this right here. Make sure you line this one up with that hole right there. Right there. Make sure you line it up, slide it in there. This one is the adjustment for the light. And then it should pop in pretty easy. There you go. Now it's in, all the way in. Looks pretty good right there. Nice and sturdy, not loose. Now when you reinstall the trim, make sure the bigger tab is outside toward the wheel, okay? And the smaller one inside toward the motor, just like so, just like that. go in there. I went ahead and polished these chrome trim to make it look a little bit better. All right, go ahead and reinstall it. What you do, just slide it in until it clicks. Now remember, this big tab right there, go toward this side, to the outside, okay? There you go. It's in. Looks much better. Now what I'm gonna do is reinstall the bulb, but I'm not gonna put the stock bulb on there because it's not that bright. I'm gonna upgrade to a yellow LED light using less power and a whole lot brighter. I'm gonna slide it in and turn to the left, which is counterclockwise. Now last step is to plug it in. There you go. Click right there. Now let's turn it on and see what it looks like. Man, that's pretty good right there. All right, let's put everything back. You want to bend this a little bit, kind of pull it out so you can slide the cover back in, just like so. Put this back. All you have to do is just snug tight. You don't have to torque this down. Basically, just holding the cover on. That's it. Okay, that looks good right there. All right, you guys. That's it for today. I hope you learned something from this video today on how to replace a set of fog light for a 2007 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. It's pretty simple. I mean, you don't have to jack up the car, don't have to remove the wheel. You can just turn the wheel left and right just so you can remove the fog light out and put a new one on there. And while you're at it, you can upgrade your light bulb to a LED light bulb, or you can just stick with the halogen bulb. Doesn't matter, it's up to you. But LED light is a lot brighter and more efficient than halogen bulbs. So anyways, if you like this video and learn something from it, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.